Go to the bank first.
Okay.
Okay, bye. And also, I already did like all my makeup and stuff, so you had to learn a lot. You had to believe in yourself. Hello, beautifuls, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. It's LoveKeebuu, and in today's video, I am so excited because I'm going to be doing a it's still doing it. I am going to be doing a 20 questions tag. I'm so happy to be doing this kind of video because I have been doing more technical videos, more serious videos, so this one's going to be relaxing and more fun. I have been posting a lot of content lately, and I'm going to be posting a lot more content in the future, so I thought it would be nice to allow you guys to get to know me a little bit more before I just keep posting out content and you're like, who is this person? Also, if you haven't noticed, I started doing vlogs too. I just thought it would be a good idea to do this 20 questions about me so that you guys get to know me and not just look at me as like this random chick on YouTube. If you guys relate with any of my answers, let me know down in the comments below. As always, if you guys are enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified of when I post new videos. Boy, oh boy, I am a little like kind of all over the place right now because for some strange reason my camera kept stopping on me. Like after every minute it would just stop recording and I didn't know why. Then I also had to like charge my battery, so I'm just all over the place. I'm also really hot in this like sweater, but hopefully everything just runs smoothly right now because we are going over 1 minute right now and it hasn't stopped. So I might have found a solution. By the way, I also wanted to say that I'm so happy with my camera settings now. What do you guys think? So anyways, before all the jumbling, I'm at low battery and I'm in a rush right now. So I'm gonna quickly get through these questions. Question number 1 is, what is your name and the name of your channel? My real name is Keisha and the name of my channel is LoveKeebuu. Number 2 is, what does the name of your channel mean? If you guys have been a fellow subscriber of mine, I have changed my name a lot of times. The last one was Keebuu Trends, and that was because I wanted to do trending videos and do reviews of trending products, but I realized that I wasn't really feeling that because I don't like trying like brand new stuff. I usually like trying things that are like tried and true, so that didn't work out for me, so I ended up switching it to just LoveKeebuu because I feel like that is pretty universal. If I ever switch my channel direction or my niche, I can continue to keep it at LoveKeebuu. So question number 3 is, where are you from? I am from San Diego, California. 4 is, why did you start a YouTube channel? I'm gonna make this very short and sweet. I started a YouTube channel simply because I learned about Ipsy, which is a makeup subscription bag. I learned about Ipsy through a magazine because I started ordering magazines when I went to college. I think it was the Cosmopolitan. And I learned about Ipsy, and then I wanted to know what I was getting in my bag. So I searched for it on YouTube. And that is basically where I discovered YouTube. I discovered so much valuable information, like, you know, what products I should use for my hair, and so many of the people like gave me information that was so valuable to me. I saw them as like my big sisters that I never had, and that's pretty much when I started wanting to make YouTube videos, because I just felt like I wanted to give back and I wanted to create that same feeling for other people as the feelings that I received from people, if that makes sense. And yeah, it first started off with like literally just me wanting to like show a product and talk about it. So I just wanted to like buy something and be like, this is what I buy and this is what I think of it. So yeah, that's why review videos are some of my favorite types of videos, but my favorite of all time videos is monthly favorite videos because I love just talking about things that I love and then things that work for me, and I love just like showing the product and all that jazz. So yeah, moving on. Number 6 is, who is your target audience? That's a weird question. By the way, I didn't look at these questions beforehand, so who is your target audience? I don't really know. I think last time I checked, it's like 18 to 35 or 25 to 45. I don't remember, but yeah, my target audience used to just be, I wanted it to be targeted to other Black and Asian girls, but then I felt like that was too narrow, and I really wanted to broaden myself and not limit anyone for my channel. So it's pretty much like all females, males if you're into like skincare and makeup. Number 7 is, what do you hope to achieve with your channel? If you guys watch my previous blog, you will know the goal that I have for the next year, and that is to just grow my channel in terms of getting more subscribers, getting more engagement, and eventually be able to start making money off YouTube. Number 8 is your top 3 favorite YouTube channels. I think that's what I meant to say. Off the top of my head, the first 3 would be, number 1 is Whaley. I like Whaley. I love her. Jen Im, I currently am quite obsessed with at the moment. I watch her a lot. And then my favorite used to be Bubs Beauty, although I don't watch her that much anymore. There's a lot of YouTubers that I like. I really look up to Michelle Phan. Yeah, those are just people that I could think of off the top of my head that like I pretty much watch consistently. Number 9 is, who inspired you to start a channel? I've kind of already touched on that, but one of the first, I'll like write her name down somewhere. She was just so good at doing tutorials and she was so accurate and so helpful. Number 10 is, if you could collab with anyone right now, who would it be? I don't know. I would love to collab with Whaley. Honestly, I really don't know. I never thought about who I would want to collab with. Michelle Phan, that would be pretty interesting to collab with her. She seems like a really cool chick. Number 11 is 3 reasons anyone should subscribe to your channel. 1, started from the bottom and I'm trying to climb my way up to the top, so I think that would be interesting to see. 2, I think people would really benefit from my, I guess, different type of personality. I really want to eventually inspire other women to live just a more peaceful and happier, more positive life. That's something I would like to do, and I think maybe people would like to see that more on YouTube. And number 3, why you should subscribe is because you might be really entertained. That's actually a really good question. I'm gonna like write that down and think about that. Number 12 is, which channel already on YouTube will yours most likely be? Honestly, like Whaley's. I really like her aesthetic. I like everything about her pretty much. And then maybe a little bit like Michelle's, because I'm focusing a lot on skincare. I do talk about that a lot, and a lot of the products that I receive from brands are skincare, so I think that's kind of where I'm flowing, is kind of skincare, healthy products, eventually kind of leaning into like self-care, like a positive mindset kind of aura thing. So yeah, that's where I see my channel heading. Not super glam or dramatic, but more natural looks, cleaner products, cleaner makeup, really good skincare. Number 13 is, what is your favorite thing about the YouTube community? Honestly, what I love about the YouTube community is just how real people can get. When it comes to TV or even reviews on brand sites, things tend to be a little fabricated. People hide the bad stuff and all that jazz. When it comes to YouTube, everything is just so real. And that's definitely what I try to do on my channel. I'm currently working with a brand right now and I'm not super passionate about one of their products, and I kind of give off that vibe, like I'm not crazy about this product, and I'm also not going to review one of their products because I just don't think it works. So that's what I love about YouTube, and it's also just a really feel good, like you have so many so many different channels that you can subscribe to and watch, and you're just bound to find something for yourself. So if you just want to feel good and have like positive vibes and all that jazz, like you can find a channel that will make you feel that way. And it's a really great community if you look at the positive sides to it. And there's so much to learn, and there's so many amazing people that are willing to just give you information for free. Number 15 is, what do you think you could bring to the YouTube community that isn't already there? I don't know. I'm trying to figure that out. My first thing though, and what I wanted to start off with, was the fact that I was Black and Japanese. And honestly, I don't even know if I know any other Black and Japanese people on YouTube, but my battery is running out now. But that is something that I wanted to bring initially. So I don't know, we'll see how that goes. Let's see if I get like any type of fame for being Black and Asian. Number 16 is 3 things we should know about you. Well, one of them is that my battery is beeping right now, telling me that it is gonna die. This video just like might cut off I don't know. One thing a lot of people don't know about me is that I am a virtual assistant, so I work online, and a lot of people think that's pretty cool, but I think it's okay. It's hard and it's lonely, and if I had to start all over, maybe I would have just thought about getting a regular standard job instead of a virtual assistant job. 2 is, I don't know, I love Korean barbecue. I'm addicted to it. If I could, I'd probably try to eat it every day, but I think overall I just genuinely love Korean food, especially because you get so many different side dishes. And number 3 is I have 2 older brothers, so there's 3 kids in my family. Okay, 17 is what do you think the hardest thing will be about becoming a YouTuber? It's basically what it is right now. It's just getting more people to subscribe and more people to engage and finding a way to make that happen. And then once you do make it happen, is finding a way to keep a positive mindset and to just keep going amidst all the like hate comments and all the harder work that you're gonna have to do in the future. Number 18 is what do you think the most rewarding thing will be? Just inspiring other people. When someone comments you and says like, wow, this video really helped me out, or this video changed my life, that's what will be the most rewarding thing. Number 19 is do you see yourself being on YouTube for a long time? Yes, I want to be on YouTube forever. So even when I'm a grandma, I might teach you guys how to like plant a garden. 20 is do you have any tips or advice for others who are just starting a YouTube channel? Honestly, yeah, I have a lot of advice. Just stay consistent and keep going. Even if you feel like you're not ready, just start, because you're gonna have to do a lot of things. Like, it requires a lot of practice, and if you just start filming right away, that's gonna be your practice. And if you want to get a head start, get a really good camera, get a front facing camera, and learn a lot. Do a lot of research, learn how to grow your channel, learn how to make good content, learn how to, you know, do your lighting and all that jazz, because all of it comes together to eventually make it so that you can have a really good channel. I personally believe that I can make it in this YouTube world. I think anyone can make it in this YouTube world. You just have to treat it like a degree. You have to work really hard for it. You have to learn a lot. You have to believe in yourself. But differently from a degree is amp up your personality a little bit. You need to post content that people actually want to watch, but you can learn that. So that's why, like I said, research is really important. Keep believing in yourself. Don't give up. And if anything, just try to stay consistent and keep posting. Even if you don't like your content, just keep posting, because the more that you film and the more that you post, the better you will get. But if you just like decide to start when you think that, oh, you look good and you got good quality and yeah, that's not necessarily a good place to start, because you're still going to feel weird on camera. Even if you have a really good camera and if you have a really good presence, it's still going to require a lot of work for you to just get used to being on the camera. You're gonna have to work on your speech. You're gonna have to eliminate the ums. You're gonna feel cringy when you see yourself on camera. You're gonna have to learn how to edit. So just start right away. And in the beginning, not a lot of people are gonna watch your video anyway, so just don't worry about all that, like, oh, I need to look really good and I need to work out and my hair needs to look good and my makeup needs to look good. Like, just start now so that you can get that practice in. And when you're ready and when you got your hair looking good and you feel good and you got a good camera quality, like when you have all that, then you'll be officially ready. And yeah, so that is pretty much it. I'm surprised my battery lasted this long. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned more about me. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you related to any of these, or if you have any other questions for me, just leave them down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and also don't forget to subscribe to this video if you liked it. I've been trying to film this for like a week now, so I said, you know what, forget having it be perfect and all that jazz. I'm just gonna put it out there. And also, I already did like all my makeup and stuff, so anyways, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.
Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.